Hello everyone, this is Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I'm just going to show you a very quick fix to this issue where it's saying the name cannot end with a white space character or a full stop. Now I know this is pretty obvious, but I was working in a massive flow and got this issue, and it was actually a bit harder to find, but I'll just show you the fix here. So basically what it says is it can't end in a white space character or a full stop, and that's referring to the names of one of your flows. Now, as you can see in this error here, it specifies it's the send an email step. So if I come to the send an email step, and you can see I've ended that with a full stop there. If I just rename that, remove that full stop, and hit save, there you can see the flow is now saved. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and take care. Thank you.